Best laser engravers for wood are precision tools used to etch detailed designs and patterns onto wooden surfaces. They are popular for DIY projects and small businesses, offering options for both beginners and professionals depending on power and accuracy. Starting at number 1, xTool S1 40 Laser Engraver. The xTool S1 40 Diode Basic Kit is a powerful laser cutter and engraver designed for efficiency and precision. With a robust 40,000 mm laser, it can effortlessly slice through 18 mm cherry wood in a single pass and engrave at impressive speeds of up to 600 meters. It is on its spacious 23.93 T 15 Tustin bed, making it ideal for large projects such as door signs or multiple dog tags at once. This advanced machine features exclusive patented technologies like pinpoint positioning for high precision and auto pass-through technology, enabling users to tackle projects up to 118 inches, 3,000 mm with ease. It is user-friendly, ready to use right out of the box, and equipped with intuitive software called xTool Creative Space, XCS, which simplifies the engraving process. The software has been pre-tested on over 400 materials, allowing users to easily preview, click, and engrave without requiring design skills. Additionally, the AI-powered software can generate unique designs from simple text inputs. And there are more than 1,000 step-by-step project tutorials available to assist users in their creative endeavors. Number 2, Glowforge Aura Laser Engraver. The Glowforge Aura is a versatile laser cutter and engraver that unlocks new dimensions of creativity, compatible with a wide range of materials including wood, leather, paper, cardboard, stickers, iron-on transfers, various types of acrylic, stone, metal, and even food. However, it is important to note that it is not compatible with MDF, vinyl made with PVC, or certain colors of acrylic such as white, blue, or clear. With an active surface area of 451 square inches and an automatic operation mode, this machine is ideal for creating custom stickers, jewelry, crafts, gifts, and school projects. Users can bring their ideas to life by making hardwood place settings, heirloom leather wallets, intricately detailed paper birthday cards, plywood organizers for desks, unique team sweatshirts, engraved stone coasters, and countless other projects from hundreds of materials. Number 3, LaserPecker Dual Laser Engraver. The LaserPecker Dual Laser Engraver is a versatile and portable engraving tool that boasts impressive specifications, including an 8K resolution and a remarkable engraving speed of 240,000 mm. This engraver features an auto-switch IR diode system, allowing it to effectively engrave on a variety of materials such as metal, wood, and acrylic. It is equipped with a smart screen for easy operation and offers a repeat function for consistent results. With a working area of 160 by 120 millimeters, the LaserPecker Dual Laser Engraver is designed for both hobbyists and professionals looking for high-quality engraving solutions. The basic set includes everything needed to get started on your engraving projects. Number 4, Woxcker L2 MAX Engraver. The Woxcker L2 MAX 10W is a high-performance laser engraver and cutter designed for precision and versatility. With a spacious 300 by 300 mm bed size, this CNC engraving machine offers exceptional accuracy, boasting a resolution of 0.01 mm. It is capable of engraving and cutting a variety of materials, including wood, stainless steel, glass, and metal, making it suitable for a wide range of projects. Operating at a powerful 100 milliwatts, this Class 1 laser machine ensures safety while delivering impressive results for both hobbyists and professionals alike. Whether you're looking to create intricate designs or perform detailed engravings, the Woxcker L2 MAX provides the tools needed to bring your creative visions to life. Number 5, Carverall K15 Pro. The Carverall K15 Pro 5W laser engraving machine is an ideal choice for beginners looking to delve into DIY projects with high precision. With a working area of 200 by 300 millimeters, which is close to A4 size, this portable CNC laser cutter is versatile enough to handle various materials, including wood, coated metal, acrylic, and leather. It operates at a power of 5,000 mAh and falls under Class 1 safety standards, making it a reliable option for those new to laser engraving and cutting.